Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm going to look at my portfolio, look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Yesterday, we back on the market. My account 806,000 from 850,000. Quite a big drop yesterday. 857 to 806. So around $50,000 drop. Pocket got hammered. A lot of tokens got hammered last night on the Bitcoin drop. Let's start off on Bitcoin, 69,500. Still see on the weekly, volume is still growing. Last week, volume finished a little bit lower. You can see a little bit lower than the 4 weeks behind it. But no new high was made there. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy in 23rd of February 2023, and it's still a blue buy. You can see this big drop of volume, but that was because the Easter holidays, we had 3 or 4 days of very low volume, which Bitcoin managed to hold on. Stochastic, though, overbought on the daily. Stochastic overbought on the daily, overbought on the weekly, but not heading down yet. But definitely overbought on the daily and turning down a little bit. Bull flag in the shorter term time frames. When we go into the 4 hourly, you can see we've got this just kind of bull flag forming here. Pole and flag forming. Not much of a drop from Bitcoin, so it's still looking good. My trade from yesterday activated. If you watched my video yesterday, Bitcoin came down, activated the trade, 68,396, came down to 68,045, didn't hit stop loss, and then bounced back. So congratulations, anyone that took that trade, already massively in profit. I still see a bull flag and sideways channel. Not really seeing any major signs except the sideways channel. You can see we've got a channel here. Let's make our channels. And we've got another channel here. So you can see Bitcoin is kind of just between this channel, between, I would say, 68,400 and between 71,500. Bitcoin seems to just channel between these two lines. Let's see if we can make it. I'll turn it blue. So this is the channel that Bitcoin is on right now. The previous all-time high, we're sitting near the previous all-time high right now, 69160. So I'd keep the same trade if you haven't entered. If you're entered, you're already in profits. And I do think we will pump on Bitcoin, in my opinion. Why? Because you can see we've got inverse head and shoulders. That bigger overall bull flag that's forming, a smaller bull flag that's forming. There's a lot of bullish signs still on Bitcoin. Let's check out my bybit portfolio. So right now, 806,000 in this account. In here, I've got Bitcoin 145,000, Ethereum 142,000, down 4% yesterday. Bitcoin down 2%. Dogecoin down 7%. All coins got hammered. USDT 80K. I need to get more USDT. I'm too heavy in crypto at the moment. Not enough to buy dips. MCRT 10%. Pocket 7%. Big hammering. Uniswap 4%. World 8%. So let's look at this portfolio and look at what is overbought. So Bitcoin on the monthly and weekly, super overbought. I will probably close this on the halving announcement. Why? Buy the rumor, sell the news. Weekly still growing, but overbought. Dogecoin, let's check out Dogecoin. Dogecoin pulled back a lot yesterday when it sold off. And let's look at Ethereum. Dogecoin 0.02 dropped all the way to 0.17 and then bounced back. So that's the real support here, 0.17 on Doge now. I would say 0.17 and here 0.15. So closing some and setting buy orders in case of a nuke would be smart. But volume is growing on the weekly. On the daily, stochastic heading up, volume growing. Heading higher, volume not coming down. 4 hourly, volume growing on Doge. Bull flag. Smart idea would be to close some and set buy orders down at 17 cents unless there's another nuke. But Doge kind of held up really well there. Let's look at Ethereum. Could be head and shoulders forming here. Clear head and shoulder, but invalidated. See that? It invalidated. Went up and sideways. Volume still growing on the daily. Volume growing. Bull flag on the daily. Ethereum still looks good. Let's look on the 4-hourly. 4-hourly, we broke down this trend line. It failed to hold this. So this is the new trend line. But it is a rising triangle or rising wedge, which is a bullish pattern, and it breaks out the base of the trade from yesterday also activated. Oh no, just missed out. I'd keep the same trade. It almost activated, but it missed out. 3396. That's my updates in the market. This account, 801,000. It was 900,000, but I did sell, I would say, around $60,000 or more to fund a startup. But I have 801,000 the last 30 days, up from 761 to 800. So in the last month, even when I took out like almost 100K for this startup, I'm up 40,000. So I made actually 140,000 this month. I pulled out like 100K. My Bitcoin trade is currently $22,000 in profits. My Ethereum trade, $15,000 in the profits. And they're quite holding on strong. But could be a lot of macro news we've got to be careful of. Underneath the video, go down below. One is the exchanges that I use for trading. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus if you use this link. 2 is the courses. Take them all. 3, join the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. And don't forget, over on X, I have a $5,000 competition going on right now. You can see here, I'm going to pin it. $5,000 competition. Which is somewhere, okay, let's do here. It ends in 4 days, so make sure, here you go. Someone make me the best image to explain, wait, I'll pin it. Pin to profile. We'll send $5,000, best explanation of deforestation. And you can see many people's applications. I'm going to choose the winner in my video in about 5 days, or I'll get the team to make a vote out of all the best ones. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my updates in the market, updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge. I'm watching closely here. I want to start closing out a little bit of positions just so I have 50% in USDT so I can buy the dips like yesterday. It would have been a great opportunity to set buy orders down. So I'll leverage out a little bit and set more buy orders down. I could start doing that now. But I'm not feeling any urge to sell after that dip. It got bought up quite quickly. So I will wait and I'll update you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.